Dear health enthusiast, at Patients Medical, we know how challenging it can be to deal with digestive issues, especially when they disrupt daily life. Irritable bowel syndrome, or IBS, is a common condition affecting millions of people, and its symptoms can range from mild discomfort to severe pain. Our goal is to provide you with the information and tools needed to manage IBS effectively and improve your quality of life. What is irritable bowel syndrome? IBS is a functional gastrointestinal disorder that affects the large intestine. It's characterized by symptoms such as abdominal pain, bloating, gas, and changes in bowel movements, which can include diarrhea, constipation, or both. While the exact cause of IBS is not fully understood, it often involves a combination of factors, including intestinal inflammation, stress, diet, and gut microbiome imbalances. Symptoms and triggers. The symptoms of IBS can vary from person to person, but the most common include abdominal pain, often relieved after a bowel movement, bloating, a feeling of fullness or swelling in the abdomen, gas, increased flatulence that can cause discomfort, altered bowel habits, diarrhea, constipation, or a combination of both. Certain triggers like specific foods, stress, hormonal changes, and even medications can exacerbate symptoms. Identifying these triggers is a crucial step in managing IBS. Our integrative approach to IBS. At Patients Medical, we take an integrative and personalized approach to treating IBS. This means looking beyond just the symptoms and addressing the root causes that may contribute to your condition. Here's how our approach can make a difference. Comprehensive diagnostic evaluation. We start by performing a thorough evaluation of your health history, symptoms, and lifestyle. Our team may recommend tests to check for food sensitivities, gut microbiome imbalances, or hormonal irregularities that could be contributing to your IBS symptoms. Customized nutrition plan. Diet plays a significant role in IBS management. We work with you to create a personalized nutrition plan that focuses on reducing common IBS triggers, such as high FODMAP foods, dairy, gluten, and certain artificial sweeteners. By identifying and avoiding trigger foods, many patients experience a significant reduction in symptoms. Gut health restoration. Your gut health is central to your overall well-being. We employ a holistic approach to restore balance in your gut microbiome through probiotics, prebiotics, and dietary modifications. Our goal is to strengthen your gut lining, reduce inflammation, and promote healthy digestion. Stress management techniques. Stress is a well-known trigger for IBS. We offer guidance on stress reduction techniques, including mindfulness, yoga, and meditation, to help you manage stress and its impact on your digestive system. Ongoing support and monitoring. IBS management is an ongoing process. Our team provides continuous support, adjusting your treatment plan as needed to ensure you achieve the best possible outcomes. We're committed to helping you regain control of your digestive health. Take the first step towards better digestive health. You don't have to live with the discomfort and unpredictability of IBS. By taking an integrative approach to your health, Patients Medical can help you identify the root causes of your symptoms and provide a personalized treatment plan tailored to your unique needs. If you're ready to explore a more comprehensive solution for your IBS, schedule a consultation with us today. Visit our website here for more information or call us at 212-794-8800 to book an appointment. Yours in health, the Patients Medical team.